When joining a video visit, it is always best to run a hardware test. This will ensure a smooth experience for your video visit. In this video, I will show you how to join a video visit. We recommend logging into myChart or the MemorialCare app 10 to 15 minutes before your scheduled appointment. On your device, log into myChart or the MemorialCare app. On the health feed, you'll see your upcoming video visit appointment. Click Join Visit. This will then launch our video visit browser. When prompt, please assure that you allow access to your camera, microphone, and speaker. These permissions are required for your visit, so it works properly. You will be directed to a hardware test before entering the visit. Verify that your microphone, camera, and speaker are all showing green and ready. If any of these items are not green, please rerun the test. Sometimes it takes a few minutes for your device to fully load and recognize the hardware. Once the hardware test is successful, click Join Call. You will be placed into our virtual lobby. Please remain connected and wait for the provider to join. Once you're in the virtual lobby, you can go ahead and select more options if you'd like to control the device, if you would like to add a background, if you would like to adjust the full screen mode, or switch to a speaker view. You can select a language. You can also select closed captioning. You can share your screen, or you can open up the chat. Once your provider joins the call, you will automatically be connected and your video visit will begin.